Wow, these fruits look amazing and super yummy. We should totally go and tell all our friends about them.
A few minutes later.
Hey friends, we found some really tasty fruits over there. Come on, let's all go together and check them out. Okay, let's hurry and go tell everyone about the fruits. This is going to be fun.
Awesome. I definitely want to come along. I don't want to miss out.
Friends, I'm coming too. I really want to see and taste those fruits.
Okay, everyone, gather up and stay close. Let's all go together.
A few moments later.
Hey, what's going on? Why do you all look so upset like that? I'm really hungry, and there's nothing around here for me to eat at all.
Come on, let's go look around and see if we can find some food somewhere.
Look over there. There are a bunch of really tasty fruits waiting for us.
Look over there. There are a bunch of really tasty fruits waiting for us.
A few minutes later.
Uh-oh, it looks like they're planning to eat every single fruit and not leave any for us. You all need to leave these fruits alone right now and go away from here.
These fruits belong to us. We found them first, so you all should go somewhere else. Please go away from here right now and stop bothering us.
I'm going to find a way to scare them off somehow so they won't bother us anymore.
A few hours later.
Look, it's working. They're getting scared and running away as fast as they can.
Wow, let's tell all our friends about these yummy fruits we found. They're going to be so happy to see them.
Hey everyone, let's get a big game of football going. It'll be so much fun playing together.
Yeah, that sounds awesome. Let's call everyone over so we can all join in. Friends, come on over. Let's all play a really fun game of football together.
Hey friends, I'm on my way. Don't start without me. I really want to play too.
This football game is so much fun. I really love playing with all of you.
Watch me run. I'm super fast, and I'm going to zoom across the field.
Wow, that was an amazing throw. You're super fast and really good at this.
Just wait. I'm going to kick it even faster this time and really send that ball flying.
Oh no, the ball fell down over there. Let's go get it so we can keep playing.
Yay, all of our friends are here now.
It's so nice to have everyone together. Look over there. There are so many fruits. Let's go check them out together.
Yeah, that sounds great. Let's all go over there and see the fruits.
Come on, follow me. I'll lead you all to where the fruits are waiting for us.
Wow, there are so many tasty fruits here. This is really wonderful.